up, guys? So, I didn't record none of it, I'm sorry. Me and my wife put more 4x4s in for the fence and swapped out some 2x4s on the deer blind and poured some concrete. And we went to the casino because it got too hot. We did some mowing last night. My wife did. Man, I don't feel like we got anything accomplished today. It was way too hot today. Now it is raining, storming pretty good, which is good because I just dumped that concrete in on the post dry because I didn't have no water out there. But did have a cool little storm last night, which I filmed, so I'm going to show you guys that, and I'm going to show you the wife winning $500 at the casino. Kinda. Just a short little video. But other than that, just a short little video. Enjoy it. Give me a like. Give me ideas what you want me to do, how I should do it. I need to document everything I do at the farm. The land, I don't call it a farm, it's only 12 acres. But I'm trying to get it fenced in. But look at this, look what I'm riding into. Look at all that rain coming, man. It's pretty cool. But anyway, as always, love God, love your neighbor, and everything will work out for you. Peace out. Hope you enjoy it. Oh, look at the rain down there.